And today we are on the way to Anse Major, on the Anse Major Trail. It's a very nice. Very nice landscape, peacefully, a little bit of breeze. It's a nice walk. So amazingly nice here. Look at the color of the sea. Unfortunately, I cannot watch too much because there are a lot of stones I have to take care. But anyway, amazing. The Anse Major Trail. Now, here we go. Let's have a look at the Anse Major. Wow. It's not Anse Major, it's just the first day. Now this is Anse Major. And it's like a postcard, you see. You can see the Bacardi filming the publicity or Raphael or whatever. And let's take a swim. It's not easy to reach the beach. It's not easy to get to this beach, but it's amazing. Somebody plays with the stones here. It looks pretty nice. Now, sometimes when I'm doing this, I like to think I'm Robinson. At least for a while. It's time to go for a swim. So we leave this paradise. Marvin is the captain. Hello, Marvin.